Pixel 9 from Google. There are already tons and tons of videos with unboxings, full reviews. All those videos are sponsored. I will have to buy it, like you. So we need to check the prices first. There are some rewards for the pre-order. With the Pixel 9, 9 XL, 9 Pro, and Fold, and regular 9. So those are the prices for the, yes, 1,900 for the Fold. Let's see that Fold device. Special offer. This is for the pre-order. We do have a black, semi-gray, and white. I like the white one. It's a goldish one. At least what I see on the screen. Dark is also really nice. Do we have more pictures? Like industrial design, very thick and it looks strong. That's what it looks. Reminds me of Samsung a little bit, the latest one. Buy Pixel 9 Pro Fold and save €263 and 1 year subscription to Gamini, that AI experience. All right, but we want to see the specs first. We want to see specs. Should you have to buy the charger separately? Ooh, come on, really? All right, specs. Porcelain and obsidian. Porcelain, that's something. All right, that's the external screen, 160 millimeters, 422 ppi. It's okay. It's not the dense, super dense like an ultra flagship, but that's okay. 422 is still plenty enough. Gorilla Glass Victus 2. That's the latest and greatest. They say it's twice better than the previous one. Oh, shockproof. Those are the nits. 2700 nits, that's plenty enough. Brightness, HDR support, and the internal screen, which is 204 millimeters. That's a really big screen with tons of resolution and 373 ppi. So it's a little less ppi, it's a little less density. Ultra thin glass, so it's not a plastic, it's some kind of glass. All right, okay. And it's basically same brightness in HDR. That's a peak brightness, of course. Wow. Dimensity. I mean dimensions. So sorry, my English is not that great. All right. Battery. And we do have 4,650. That is a bit low compared to the Vivo, which has 1,000 more. And that is a lot. 1,000 more, it's a lot. All right. 45 watts charging, and Vivo has 100. So that's twice. But this one has also the greatest AI. Latest Tensor G4 processor, Titan M2 security processor, Google VPN at no extra cost. So you will have a VPN for free. And that is super cool. What about the cameras? 48 megapixel quad PD camera, 1.7 aperture. That's really bright. Nice. It's a huge sensor. And 2.2 aperture for the ultra wide, also really nice. 10 megapixel, it's not too much for the ultra wide. And telephoto also 10 with 3.1 aperture. 5x optical zoom, that's pretty good, really good. And the front camera, 10 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. The same one is for the inner camera. Camera feature, Pro Control, macro focus. I'm going to have autofocus in wide angle. Work camera selfie maybe. For the recording, 4K in 60 frames per second with digital zoom. Front camera 4K 60 also. Macro focus video, so there's, optical image stabilization. Focus video stabilization. I'm going to have wide angle macro. There's no info about that. So that's the fold device. Let's go back to the Pro version. The Pro. We're gonna skip the regular one because why? Yeah, just 200 euros more. Go with the Pro, of course. XL is just the size. So with pink one, gray. I like the gray and dark. Porcelain is also cool, but I think I will go with the gray one. Durability, Gorilla Glass Victus. Those are all the colors. Zoom. All right, let's see the specs. All kinds of colors. Display, that's the size for the XL and therefore for the regular one. All right, we have a little bit more resolution for the XL, but a little less PPI, but that's like insignificant difference. Same brightness, different size. Battery wise, a little more battery. It's like 300 milliampere hours more. So yeah, but of course with a bigger screen, we will use that battery a little bit more. So it's basically the same. 45-watt charger, that's not too fast compared to the Chinese devices these days. Google VPN, no extra cost. That's really, really cool. And the cameras, are they the same cameras? Yes, they are. They are exactly the same cameras with optical zoom, 50 megapixel octa PD camera with 1.68 aperture. That's very bright. And this is wide camera. That's very wide. That's very bright for the wide camera, and ultra wide camera 1.7 also very bright. 1.7 for the ultra wide. It's amazing with autofocus, and that is super cool. So autofocus in wide angle lens will be available. Telephoto camera, 48 megapixel, 2.8 aperture. All right, and 5 optical zoom. Laser detect autofocus, and it's super cool. And the front camera, 42 megapixel. That is a lot for front-facing camera. I think the biggest I've seen was 50 in Motorola. I think, yeah, something like that. 42 is plenty enough with autofocus, and that is great. I wonder, is the switching lenses during the recording, front and back, will be available? That is the question which I don't have an answer for you yet. But we're going to find out when we buy the device. Macro focus, all right. All the 8K 30 powered by Video Boost. Okay, that's really cool. 4K 60, dual exposure on the video camera, super zoom up to 20x, but most likely an electronic zoom. Front camera 4K 60, that is also really, really nice. The question is it going to be better than a Vivo X100 Ultra, which is at the moment the best camera for filming? That is the question. We're going to compare it to that great device. All right. OS security, fingerprint, and stuff like that. All right, I don't want this video to be too long. We do have 5G and everything. So those are the specs. I'm going to buy it after the video. I'm going to wait until they ship the device. When they ship it, is there any info about the shipping days? Let's see the specs also for the, let's see the prices first. Yeah. You will have a very nice discount on storage if you pre-order it. Yeah. So for the price of low storage, you will get twice more storage for the same price. Yeah. That's what I meant. My English is not that great. Oh, but for the porcelain, there's no 500 version, only 256. So, yeah, you have to go with the gray one for 1,200 euros. Get up 800 back with eligible phone to trade. Okay, so you can trade up to 800 euros back with. So you have to send your old phone. They will send you the info about the price of your phone, and you will have. Okay, let me test that. My English is still not that great. What if I want to trade the Z Fold phone? No. I have Galaxy S21. How much can they give it to me? Answer your device free of crack. Yes, it's free. That is a really, really good price. 300 euros. Include a 200 bonus on the top of the regular device value. Okay. That is really, really nice. You can find your device also. You can add a different device if you wanted to. All right. So I think that's all it is. This video is already too freaking long. Let me go back to our main site, because there is also a Google Pixel Watch 3, which is looking rather nicely for 399. That's a lot of money, but it looks really futuristic. That is really cool looking watch. I might buy that also. It's in black. Okay, let me show you this. In black, and oh, I like this one, gray one. Nice, really nice. And also headphones, new headphones, and earbuds. Yeah, light air ahead. It looks different. It looks a bit bulky, like they will stick out from your ear. I could be mistaken. Yeah, 250. That's okay. So this is how they look like. Huh? Pretty cool with the AI and stuff. Pretty cool. That's what I have for now. I will need to order some Google devices, and when they arrive, I will make a beautiful unboxing, and we will compare it to latest Chinese devices. Oh, I forgot. There's a lot of cases. If you choose a case, you can also have a case with a. I like this one with a magnet, like an iPhone, and yeah, even a wooden case if you wanted to. If you hit continue. There is no info about the shipping day, so I don't know. If you know, let me know in the comment below. That's all I have. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.